Let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, black color, brown color, peacock green color, violet color, orange color, light pink color, red color, dark green color, pink color, sky blue color, green color, red color, heart, heart, red color, pink color, heart, peacock green color, heart, peacock green color, orange color, orange color, sky blue color, sky blue color, heart, violet color, heart, violet color, green color, heart, green color, dark green color, semicircle. This shape is semicircle shape. Dark green color, green color, semicircle, semicircle, light green color, dark green color, semicircle, stem, dark green color, pink color, hexagon, hexagon, pink color, peacock green color, hexagon, violet color, red color, light pink color. This shape is hexagon shape. Hexagon, light pink color. Orange color. Square, 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 orange color. Heart, 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 square, semicircle, semicircle, hexagon. Red color, pink color, peacock green color, violet color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, dark green color, pink color, peacock green color, violet color, red color, light pink color. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.